Hi, in this video we're going to talk about creating additional portfolios and adding more images. So if you have already watched the first video, you should have already uploaded your initial image and renamed your first portfolio. So to add more images, you'll go to the portfolio section and click on your existing portfolio and then click add artwork, the same way we did in the initial video. To add a portfolio, under Portfolios, you want to click Add and Edit. And here you'll find a Create Portfolio button. So a portfolio is essentially a gallery containing images, and that's how you would segment your images throughout your website. So I'm going to create another gallery here by clicking this button. I'm going to give it a name. So here I'm going to name it photography. And then again, we can add a description. Descriptions are important for search engine purposes, as well as explaining what the purpose of that gallery is. So in some layouts on the website, this description will show up either next to the images or above it, or it may not show up at all depending on the layout that you select. You have a lot of flexibility in that regard. So I'm just going to give it a quick description. And then I'm going to click Create Portfolio. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Add Images. And then here, once again, it's the same process that I followed before, where I'm just going to click this Add Artwork button. And then I'm going to drag in the artwork that I want to add. And again, you're going to see the preview on the right side of the screen here. I'm going to give it a title. And again, I'll reiterate that that is sometimes important for search engine purposes. The title is also used as the alternate content for your image, as well as the title of the page that the image shows up on. So all of those things are important for search engines because they do look at that, and it is a factor in how your website is ranked when people search for certain keywords. So I'm going to give this image a name. You have an optional copyright information here, which you can add your name and a date if you wish, and then also a description. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click Upload Art, and it's going to upload it to the site. And this just takes a minute. You'll see on the left side here now I have two portfolios. So to manage either of these, I just click on them and I can add images or reorganize them or do anything I want with them, essentially. Another feature of this, my image is uploaded, so I'm going to go into this and you can see here's the image. I already named this photography, so we're good to go there. Another feature is that you can go to the Add Edit and you can reorganize these. So the order of these is used in the portfolio page, which would be, if I look at my website, if I go to the portfolios link, you're going to see the two portfolios here, and that's where that shows up. So all I have to do to change the order is just reorganize them and then click Save Portfolio Order, and that's going to affect the order on the website, as you can see. So very simple. When people come to your website, they want to see what is in this portfolio, they'll simply click in, and then you have a different portfolio format where they can zoom in on the images and preview them that way. So as you build your website, you'll add more portfolios or galleries and more images to each of these sections, and your website will grow accordingly. Next, in the next tutorial, we will cover some more deeper options in your design, such as the general section or general settings section and the sitemaps and social profiles, all important pieces to market your website.